Hello students. Today our topic for discussion is future tense. Let's know which kind of action in English grammar is regarded as future tense. So let's begin. First one is future indefinite tense. So what is called future indefinite tense? When we refer to any action that is to happen in the future time, the time which has not come. Any action which is said to take place in any future time. When we talk about such incident, generally, in general sense, we use future indefinite tense. Now let's come to the syntax of it. What is the formation of future indefinite tense? The formation is subject plus shall or will plus V1 plus object plus complement. This is the formation. Now this formation is for the assertive sentence. If it becomes negative sentence, then a not comes after shall and will in this place. If it is interrogative sentence, then the helping verb comes before the subject. So let's try to understand it through some instances. Raj will go to school. So Raj will go to school. This suggests the main verb is go, that is V1, and this is the helping verb shall or will. Now this one suggests that Raj has not yet gone. He will go. He has not done the action. He will do the action. So this will says so. This will helps us to say so. Now let me write another sentence. We shall go to school. Now see, what is the difference? Both are the same sentence. The moment I change the subject from Raj to we, the helping verb also change. Shall. In place of will, it became in place of will it became shall. We shall. Now keep in mind that with first person we use shall, with rest all we use will. This is about future tense. So here we understand what is future indefinite tense. Now future indefinite tense can also be regarded as simple future tense. Now coming to the next, that is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense. Which kind of actions are said to be in future continuous tense? Any action which is said to take place for a small period of time in future. Suppose now I am teaching English grammar, or I can say now I am teaching tense, or I can say now I am teaching future tense, or I can say now I am teaching future continuous tense. Now this is the activity that I am doing now. Now suppose tomorrow again I will teach something. Suppose tomorrow I will teach modal verbs. Then I will be teaching modal verbs tomorrow. It means tomorrow at this moment of time, for a small period, I will do a work, or there will be a work in progress for a small period of time. Such actions are referred to in future continuous tense. Remember, this tense has not taken place. It will take place. So coming to the formation, subject plus shall will plus be plus V4 plus object plus complement. This is the formation of future continuous tense. So in future continuous tense, see, because it's continuous tense, so in every continuous tense, past continuous, present continuous, we have seen use of V4. Here also it will be V4. V4 means V1 plus ing. Then before it there will be a helping verb be, and shall and will comes of course as it is future tense. Now let's see some instance. Raj will be going to school. See, Raj will be going to school. So he will do a work, the work which will go on for some time, or which will be in progress for some moment. Such kind of action. Raj will be going to school. More precisely, Raj will be going to school tomorrow. Okay, this is future continuous tense. Coming to the next part, future perfect tense. So future perfect tense. What kind of tense are regarded in future perfect? Future perfect tense means, perfect means something which has happened, but future means it does not, the time has not yet come. Then what kind of sentences we can say so? Suppose some action is said that to be completed before a certain moment of time in future. In such incidents we use future perfect. Suppose, for instance, okay, let's first talk about the formation. Subject plus shall will plus have plus V3 plus object plus complement. And this is the formation. In present perfect we found shall will was not there, subject was there, have was there, there was has also, V3 object complement. So here we don't have any has, only have, and there before it comes shall and will. So keep in mind this is the formation. Suppose let's take 2035 as a time in future. Now today we are in 2020. Now if we say something that will get over before this time in future, that incident can be regarded as future perfect tense. Now let me clear it with the example. Raj will have become a doctor before 2035. So before 2035 is the time in future. Before that time this action will happen. Now this action has not happened at present. This action has not taken place. But this action will be finished before 2035. So such actions are regarded in future perfect tense. I hope you understood this. Now coming to the next perfect continuous tense. Similar kind of concept. Future perfect continuous tense. Here we have subject plus shall will plus have. Plus been plus before plus object plus complement. This is the formation of future perfect continuous tense. Suppose again let's take 2035 as a time, and let's say some incident that will begin before that time and will go on even during 2035. But keep in mind that action has not begun now. Now it is 2020. So now the action has not started. The action will start somewhere around in this space. And it will continue. Even in 2035 it will continue. Such actions are said to be in future perfect continuous tense. Let's take the same example. Again I am taking Raj. Raj will have been treating patients by 2035. So by 2035, this is the time he will continue to do a work, that is treating patients. That work will continue. So such action which has not started now but will start somewhere in future, and as in the last example we said that before 2035 he will become a doctor. That means when it 2035 time will go on, that time he will be treating patients. So such kind of actions are said to be in the future perfect continuous tense. So that's it from future perfect continuous tense. Thank you very much.